How to remove duplicate photos in Google Photos. 4DDIG duplicate file deleter is the most common and the best file deleter not only for Windows and Windows-based devices including USB flash drives, SD cards and external hard drives, but also on Mac systems. It is a very powerful software through which you can quickly and easily find duplicated files and images including Google Photos. So first, install 4DDIG duplicate file detector on your PC and launch and click on Find Google Drive Duplicates. Then a browser will be opened for you to log in your Google account and be authorized. Now click on Scan Duplicates to start finding Google Drive duplicates. Now choose location to scan Google Drive duplicates. Once you click Scan Duplicates, this program will scan Google Photo for duplicate files. Wait until the scanning process is finished. All the scanning duplicates will be listed on the software interface. When the scanning process is finished, you are able to preview the duplicates. Then just select the target duplicate files that you want to remove and click on Remove to remove Google Drive duplicates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.